Hey guys, today we're making adorable gift bags perfect for a kid's party. What you'll need, I have the mini Bodabra bow maker. I have 3 different colors of ribbon. I have bow wire, rubber bands, a gift bag, and tissue paper. So go with whatever color scheme you prefer. Alright, let's get started. So first I'm going to fold my bow wire in half and place it down in the center of my Bodabra. Then I'm going to start with my pink ribbon, which is 7/8 inches in width. And I'm not measuring any of this, I'm just estimating. So I'm going to scrunch, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And then cut the other side. I'm going to repeat this step with my purple 5/8 inch width ribbon. And also with my blue 5/8 inch width ribbon. I'm using my wand to scrunch everything together. I can maneuver and adjust at this time as well. Next, I'm going to take my purple ribbon again, scrunch the end, make a loop, scrunch, and make one more loop and scrunch it again. Repeat the same steps with my pink ribbon and my blue ribbon. So once I'm all done, I'm just going to cut my ribbon, all 3 pieces, and I'm leaving it kind of long so that it will kind of act as more tails. It gives it kind of a fun, whimsical look. Now I'm going to take my bow wire, the 2 openings inside of the loop, hold my bow in place, give it a nice tug, and remove it from the Bodabra. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, it's looking so cute and precious. So with the bow wire at the back, I'm actually going to take my 2 rubber bands and thread it through one piece of the bow wire. And I'm going to tie it in a knot. And I'm doing this step so that I can easily remove and replace the bow on my gift bag without destroying the bow. So it's going to look just like that. And then I'm going to cut away the excess bow wire after I've tied my knots a couple of times. So as you can see, the rubber band is still in place. So if you want to use like a scrunchie or a hair tie, kids can place it on their wrists or in their hair. So there are multiple options for this. Next, I'm going to take my gift bag and tissue paper, and I'm going to place the tissue paper in my gift bag. You can skip this step if you choose to do so. Say you have some candy that color coordinates with your theme and you want it to be visible, then you can definitely skip the tissue paper, but I think the tissue paper is so cute, so we're going to add it. I'm using my scissors just to make sure the tissue paper is spread nice and wide, and then add my candy. And you can add candy, snacks, whatever you prefer. Once you're all done, I'm going to add one more piece of tissue paper. And then I'm going to add my bow as the final touch. And tying the bow to the rubber band is going to make it easier to remove and replace the bow back on my gift bag without destroying the bow. So I'm just going to take the rubber band and loop it one time around the top of my gift bag. And it's so cute and precious, simple and easy to do. It's so adorable. Change the colors, the style to fit whatever theme you have for this kid's party. Alright, it's looking so cute and precious. You can add as many loops and tails as you'd like. And again, the great part about it is when you remove the bow stays intact. Kids can eat the candy and then replace the bow. And again, don't forget that this can double as another gift. If you want to use a scrunchie or a hair tie, you can attach the bow to that. That way it doubles as a hair accessory or even a wrist accessory. So cute, fun, and easy to do.